1. Reflect on how your childhood or early development may be contributing to your knee-jerk tendency to over-apologize. The better you understand how your early programming may be contributing to your behavior, the more power you'll have to take action and change. Do some digging around questions like, what's the first reaction you have when someone tells you no? Was advocating on your own behalf limits in your family? Was it encouraged? When you were younger, was it acceptable to speak up and share your opinion? What other major experiences shaped your outlook regarding asserting yourself and respecting authority, particularly at the workplace? 2. Examine the context in which your sorry impulse comes out. Start to identify triggers that exacerbate the behavior, such as certain people, contexts, moods, or times of the day. Pay attention to whether your tendency to over-apologize comes out with some co-workers more than others. For instance, that pushy, demanding client who constantly requests impossible deadlines may send your stress and your sorry reflex into overdrive. 3. Start replacing unwarranted apologies with accurate statements to communicate your point. At first, this can be tricky. I often tell clients I work with that there's no shame in asking for verbal do-overs, particularly with family and friends. For example, if you need to cancel happy hour plans with a friend and find yourself auto-apologizing out of habit, catch yourself and say, you know, what I really wanted to say is, thanks for understanding. It's a crazy week with all these upcoming deadlines, and I appreciate you being flexible. Done. Now, doesn't that feel better than spewing out sorry? Sorry, I'm the worst, I know. In the long run, apologizing like it's your job can do more harm to your career than good, whether or not it's how you intend to come across. Apologizing excessively can project a poor image to customers, colleagues, and superiors, one that may incorrectly communicate your desire for approval trumps your self-respect. By speaking more straightforwardly and clearly, you can showcase your skills and feel more confident in the process.